Hello everyone, how is it going today? Yet another video on Bitcoin's technical analysis. Market again crashed, right? See, one thing I want to tell that due to a tweet of some billionaire, Bitcoin doesn't change fundamentally, right? It is still an inflation hedge and it will be an inflation hedge. Bitcoin has survived more worse than these tweets from some billionaire, right? So, yep, hold your hand still and act maturely, right? Don't just sell your Bitcoin due to due to some tweets, right? So, yep, that that was my view, right? So, yeah, let's head toward the technical analysis of Bitcoin. As we all know, Bitcoin was forming an symmetrical triangle, right? Yeah, there it is. Yep, this is the symmetrical triangle on daily chart which Bitcoin was forming. Yeah, I have all. If you follow me on Twitter, I have tweeted yesterday that bit on daily chart there is a breakout of this symmetrical triangle by this candle, and if this candle closes above this this resistance line, that would be good, right? This candle actually closed, and that was a good thing. But one thing which I missed was this on 4-hour chart. See, this drop is not only because of Elon Musk tweet, right? Price chart 2 was signaling that there will be a fake out, right? And yep, there it is. We can clearly see that here is the breakout, right? This was a strong breakout. This candle was a strong one with a good volume, right? Not good, but yeah, satisfactory volume, right? But as you see it right here, these three candles which closed here doesn't seem that good, right? I'll make a tutorial video on the whole technical analysis. That playlist or that video series will soon come. In that video, the first lesson will be the candlestick lesson. So just a short review. See, there are some patterns, right? Hammer, in inverted hammer, dragonfly doji, indecision candles, right? So yeah, this is an inverted hammer, right? An inverted hammer is a bearish candle. Inverted hammer actually means that this candle actually opened right here. Bears pulled this candle all the way till up here, right? Bulls pushed this candle all the way up here, right? Then bears took the control and they pushed back the prices still here, and then bull took, and eventually the candle closed here. So, according to you, which party seems strong? Tell me, which party seems strong? In this candle, bears were strong, right? They pushed prices all the way from here till here, and then also bulls again tried. Then also bears defeated them, and candle closed right here. Right, so this is a type of an inverted hammer. This is an indecision candle. This again is an indecision or indecision come inverted hammer type candle. So these three candle were consecutively bearish candle, which was signaling that price will move downwards. Right. This will not make that much sense if you are new to technical analysis and you don't know about candlestick patterns, right? So I'll make a video series so you can learn from there. So that was a quick review. See, these three patterns I missed, right? See, I'll not lie that yeah, I'm a great technical analysis. Yeah, I'm trying my best. Yeah, I do technical analysis, and most of the time my technical analysis are correct, right? But at this time I completely missed these three candle formation. If I have if I've noticed this three candle formation, then I have definitely tweeted that there will be a fake out, right? I actually, as in spot, I actually don't see 4 hour chart, but yeah, that I'm sorry for that. That was my failure. Right. Yeah. So these three candles were basically signaling that there will be a fake out. And yep, there it is. And this is an, you can consider this as an bull trap. Right. A sort of bull trap. These three people will think that, oh, price will move down. But here comes a strong bullish candle. Right. You will think no, price will move up, and eventually it breaks down. Yeah. See, and one thing which is positive in this fake out is this, that price is still in the symmetrical triangle area, symmetrical triangle pattern zone, right? So yeah, if price breaks below this level, that would be a very bearish signal, a very bearish signal, right? Yeah. So that was a short review on symmetrical triangle fake out. So in this video, we will basically see about death cross. Yeah, death cross. See what death cross actually is. Death cross is a cross which is made by two EMAs, right? 55, 55, 200. I actually take 55 and 200 for a longer trend, but basically, death cross is when a shorter EMA line crosses over a larger EMA line. Larger day EMA line, shorter day EMA line crosses over a larger day EMA line. If let's assume that this green line is 55-day EMA, right? And next line, this red line, orange line is 200 day EMA, right? This is shorter day EMA, this is longer day EMA. If shorter day EMA moves downwards, crosses downwards, then there will be a down trend, right? If this crosses upwards, just like this, if this line crosses upwards, right, and this is the orange one, then there will be a uptrend, right? So yeah, this is what death cross. This is called in golden cross, and this is called a death cross. Yeah, that would be to say bit confusing. But yeah, as I've promised, I'll make a tutorial video. In that video, I'll cover all these topics, right? So let's head toward the 1 day chart for a better understanding of death cross. Let me clear the chart. Yeah, here it is. So this blue line is 55-day EMA, and this 200, this green line is 200-day EMA, right? There is yet not a crossover, but EMA lines are anticipating a crossover, right? Two EMAs are actually converging, which will eventually meet somewhere around in mid-June, like this, right? E- e- 11 to 15 June. If price move like this, then we'll see a crossover in the mid-June. As rect and just a minute. Let me clear this. Yep. And Rect Capital has also tweeted what happens. He actually tweeted, see, Rect Capital is a great Twitter account to follow. So definitely go and follow it for advanced technical analysis, and you can follow me too. Right? You can follow me too on Twitter. My Twitter handle is crypto signals 8. Right. So yeah, let's stick to the technical analysis and let's stick to the death cross. See, Rect Capital has actually tweeted 19 tweets, a thread of tweets about a death cross, what death cross is, what happens after a death cross. If you want a short review about death cross, you can definitely study this tweet, right? So, in this thread, he has mentioned that in 2017, he has not mentioned, but this is the bear market of 2017-19 bear market pattern, right? If you are following Bitcoin, then you will definitely get this pattern. This is actually a pattern of 2017 to 19 bear market, right? Here is the death cross and here is the golden cross, right? This blue line is the shorted EMA, this black line is the larger EMA. Blue line cross over, so this is the golden cross. This it indicates an uptrend, and this is the death cross, right? Red. And he has tweeted that after our death cross happens, BTC experiences additional 65% correction to the downside. 65 correction percent correction, not from here. 65% from the point where death cross actually happened. So death cross happened here. So BTC corrected from this point 65%, right? 65%, right? So if see BTC will in 2021 BTC will not, if death cross happens, BTC will not follow the exact 2017 scenario, right? It will not exactly correct 65%. It can correct 50%, or it can correct 70 to 75%. Anything can happen, right? That will depend on the selling pressure, of how much selling pressure market will face, right? So yeah, so we will take what to say, around figure of 55%. If death cross happens in the mid July, then the price would be somewhat around here, right? So from here we'll take a 55% correction. Yeah, this is 54%, 54.94%. Then we'll see Bitcoin around 17,000 by the end of the year, right? Doesn't it sound, what to say, scary, right? Bitcoin 17,000. But yeah, see, as I have tweeted yesterday, this is my Twitter account. As I have tweeted yesterday, right? Yeah, right here. This is the image of 2 days ago Bitcoin's chart. You can see death cross was, EMAs were converging drastically, right? A very sharp inclination was there, right? But yesterday, as I have tweeted, that due to the breakout, EMA were actually trying to diverge, right? Trying to diverge like this, trying to diverge like this, right? So EMA were trying to diverge, but due to this fake out, EMA are converging again. This is it. EMA is converging once again, right? So yeah, if Bitcoin doesn't move in significant amount upwards, then we will eventually see a death cross around mid-June, and then we'll see a correction of 50 to 60% again from that point. Yeah, this sounds actually scary. I was all the time bullish about the Bitcoin, and yeah, I'm still bullish about the Bitcoin. I still think that Bitcoin is an inflation hedge, and if Bitcoin falls, I will actually buy Bitcoin at 20,000. Right, I'll buy at 15,000. What, see, 15,000 is a very unlikely target. I don't think that Bitcoin will go around 15 to 16,000. If it goes, that would be the bottom of the bear market, right? So yeah, I'm still very, what to say, bullish about the market, and I'm still very bullish about the Bitcoin. See, yeah, what I'll do if death cross happen, I'll actually sell all of my alts. Yeah, I'll sell all of my alts, but I'll hold my Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I will actually average my price lower, right? I'll buy at the bottom, which will eventually decrease my average buying price, right? So yeah, this is my strategy. What I do if Bitcoin falls again 20 to 30% from this point. By the way, these were these. This was my plan. Invest your money by doing your own research, right? So yeah, these this was my NFA, not a financial advice, right? Yeah, and one more thing, if this EMA needs to diverge, right? If EMA needs to divert, I'm saying in very strict tone that Bitcoin will have to break this this resistance level of 39 0.998, which is around 40,000. Bitcoin needs to break this resistance level and hold here, then only, and not only holding, slight upward holding, right? Slight upward consolidation should be in the market, right? Like this, like this, like this, right? Then only EMAs will diverge, right? If Bitcoin moves in this zone, right here, if Bitcoin moves in this zone only, then we will eventually see our death cross happening in the mid June, right? So yeah, if Bitcoin continues to move in this zone like this, like this, like this, again retesting forming, then we will see a death cross around here, right, in the mid June. So yeah, for uh, just a moment. Yeah, yeah. For avoiding the death cross, Bitcoin has to break this resistance level and then slightly move upward. Then only this death cross will be avoided, right? So yeah, this was a short technical analysis on Bitcoin chart. So see you in the next video. Thank you.